Hello, and today I'm going to be answering the question, do I have enough money to last until I die? So that's an important question. Hello, I'm attorney Jeff Fouts, and we do asset protection, estate planning, and financial planning with the law firm of Fouts Law Group, and I want to thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time here, and if you have interest in things like protecting your assets from excessive taxes, making sure that the creditors and predators don't touch your stuff, making sure that after you die, your spouse's next spouse doesn't get your assets, or that your kids divorce, or creditors and predators don't make your hard-earned assets go out of your bloodline, and making sure that you don't make mistakes with your IRAs, then we offer education for you that you would probably find of great interest. And so if you would just hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell as well, so you'll get notified of our videos. And so, but today the important question is, how do I know if I'm going to really run out of money? How do I know that? How do I have a good sense, a good understanding of that, and not just a kind of a rational but an emotional acceptance of that? Well, today we've met with a client, and this is a financial planning client, and we've built them a portfolio. We understand about them. They're very nice people. We've had a lot of interactions, and we know what makes them comfortable and what their needs are, but we hadn't definitively researched, double checked that no matter what, they weren't going to run out of money, so to speak. And so that requires some hard work. That requires us getting budget numbers. That requires us getting projections on past portfolio performance, current portfolio performance. But that also requires us to, if we want to do it right, to throw in some accidents. So like we're able to mimic what happens if there's a bear market. We're able to mimic what happens if the portfolio doesn't work right for like some of the years at the beginning of retirement. And so once we kind of, know what we want to do, and we've got really good budget numbers, then what we can do, this is really pretty amazing. We can actually run 1,000 potential simulations. Not 10, not 100, not 500, 1,000 simulations to see whether or not the client will run out of money. And we look back over a long period of time, and so what we're doing is we're saying, what happens if this happens, this happens, this happens? And so you get to know a probability, a percentage probability of success of achieving your goals, your wants, your needs, your wants, and your wishes. Your needs, your wants, and your wishes. Okay? So those, we were able to give that client, a good feeling that things were going to work out. Not just a feeling. We were able to show them numbers, and then not only that, but I played around with it with them, and we acted as if they were going to live longer than they probably would. We acted as if things were going to go even more wrong than normal, and so we were able to show that good couple that they were going to be okay. And that peace of mind is very important. Okay, so just wanted to touch base on that. That's something that I did today. Enjoy that kind of thing. So if you want to know if you're going to run out of money, then we can certainly talk to you about that. So we want to share our knowledge with you. If you'd like to learn more, of course, you can subscribe. But also, if you'd like a copy of our book, this is our estate planning book, Estate Planning in Georgia, How to Keep It in the Family. And yes, this is a real book. This isn't just a short article. It is available on Amazon for a cost, but we give this free to people that come in. So we would encourage you maybe to if you have an interest, subscribe, hit the notification button, let us know if you'd like to set up a free appointment, and obviously you can check out our website, and that is FoutsLawGroup.com, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.